Our World in the Eyes of a Child by M. Salvador. My grandma told me a story about our country a long time ago. Tick-tock, let us turn back the time. People used to swim in Pasig River. Wish I saw her in the old photo when she was still very young. Uwak, uwak. The world used to be a pleasant place to live in. As I listen to her stories, I can't help but wonder what happened to the lovely place she is telling about. What is left for the children like me? This smoke from the car? Is it the air you want me to breathe? Contaminated water? Is it the water you want me to drink? Stop the pollution! It's killing Mother Earth! When will it stop? Tomorrow? Next week? Why not now? It is not too late. We, the children, will put an end to pollution in our own little way. Will you help us? Our World in the Eyes of a Child by M. Salvador.